Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruthie and sometimes they call me crazy. My family does, and it's not a bad thing. So guys, I want to show you how I organize my stickers. I am what I consider a lazy crafter. I like having my things around me, easy to put up, easy to find. If it's out of sight, it's out of my mind, so it doesn't get used. So what I'm going to show you is how I organize all my stickers, embellishments, any kind of things that I have. I have this notebook that I got from Walmart, and it is an 1.5-inch notebook. I have it labeled on the outside of the notebook so I can see what it has. And I have about 5 or 6 of these different books. I organize mine by color, but you can organize yours by however you utilize your things. If you have a tendency to go for different colors, if you go by different makers, whether it's Cartabella, Echo Park, whatever maker that you use, if you have a tendency to go to different categories. I do have a category here that I have, and it's with baseball and football holidays. So I break it down by color and by, I guess you can call it seasons or events more, I guess. So what I've done is I went down and bought a package of page protectors. I do put a piece of cardstock in the middle. This is just a pack of the cheaper ones that you can buy, like 65 pound weight that I picked up from Walmart. And I just put this in between here so I can use both of my sides of my page protector, and it doesn't shine through. As you can see through here, you can actually tell what the embellishments are and a little bit more of the details. So I do have some that I put straight onto the page protector, others that are thinner. I'm concerned I don't want it to tear, and I did this with wax paper, and I did spray adhesive on the back, and it just attached straight to it so that it doesn't, that comes off a little bit easier. So you can see that it's the 2 pages here, and it's just spray adhesive on. And when you stick these on, guys, they just come right off, and you can stick them right back on. So if you use them, just get a small piece of wax paper, stick the ones that you're going to use on a separate piece of wax paper, and if you don't use them, you just put them right back in your notebook. Some of the thicker ones, this is one that I made, that I got sent to me from Ginger's Corner, and I will link her video down below so you can keep an eye on some of the things that she does. She does a lot of different things with scrap paper and making embellishments, so I will link her video. This original idea did come from Janet Madison with RTS, and I will add her link down below. If you have not seen any of her videos, guys, she's an amazing with scrapbooking, organizing, just she's amazing to watch. So I will link both of their videos down below. So I do have some of my thicker ones, some of my thinner ones. They just, if you have one that's having trouble sticking, some of the products that I use is this double sticky type foam board. They also have the small, thinner tape, the double sticky tape that you can use. I also use the temporary roll type of adhesive. You don't want to use the permanent because it will be harder to get off and it'll tear it up. I also have found some of these at the Dollar Tree. You can find them anywhere. It's just the little dots. So I'm just going to show you a couple of sheets that I've done. And this is one that's on wax paper, and it's a little bit of a thinner one. So I put it on wax paper because I was concerned it's going to tear it up. And as you see, it just goes right back on there. I have some of the thicker ones over here that you can see, and they have some of the little foam dots on there, and they just sticks right back on there. Flowers, some of the, like the butterfly ones, they have the little dots that already came with this. So this is not something I put on here. It just came like this. And I even have some of the little dots, enamel dots and stuff that you can put on here. Some of the, like the flower ones that already has their tab on the back. You can put some of the tabs on there. And I have this all organized by the way I would use it. And that's what I suggest. Just use however you would use it. This is my more of a themed book of different things that I use in travel, football. I even put some of my journaling things in here. And I also have some of the, you can get these, all these little books. It has all these little sayings on there, like this one, soak up the scenery, and I just have all of these in here, and I have them a little bit more categorized than it looks like it is. You can go a whole lot more into categorize them, whether it's, you know, good thoughts or whatever type of saying it is, you're enough, encouragement. You can, you know, split them up. And I do have mine sorted by color, blacks and whites. These just these letters that you can get that comes in a package. You can stick just pretty much everything in this, and they just come right off and stick right back onto your paper. And to me, it's so much easier just grabbing a notebook and looking for what you're looking at. You know, the baseball, some of these are really thin, and I was concerned. So the ones that are thinner, I found easier just to use the wax paper. And if you are concerned about some of them coming off and you don't want to have to worry about sorting them, just cut your paper down to like 8 by 10.5, kind of, or 11. Spray them on the back and just put them on there. It's just so much easier than to have to go to all of these different packages and try to find out what it is you want to do. Now, the other thing I do have in these notebooks is my letters. I don't keep a lot of letters in my stash, but the ones I do have, I keep in a notebook. I keep them like this. They're easy to peel off, put right back on again. You know, the thicker letters, again, just off and on. This is some of the, you know, the bigger letters can come on here, the thicker letters can come on here. So guys, I hope this tip helps you. If you have anything that you need help organizing or help getting done, leave a comment down below and I will be happy to do a video on it. And if you like it, like and share the video, you know, get the word out. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would appreciate you subscribing to the channel, share it with your friends, let everybody know. And I will be back to give you some more tips and tricks on what I have found as for organizing. I will link some videos down below of the Ginger's Corner, as well as RTS with Janet Madison videos down below. And you guys have a great day, and I will talk to you in my next video, which will be on Tuesday. Thank you, guys.